If you've ever wanted your own AI agent, something that runs on its own and actually handles tasks for you, but every guide you find turns it into a wall of code and server setup, then this video is for you. Today I'm setting up GatorClaw, which is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to get a real AI agent running without touching a command line. And I'll be honest with you, this is new to me too. So we're gonna figure it out together step by step, right here on the screen. By the end, you'll know what GatorClaw is, how to set one up, and how to give it okay, we did that. No tech background needed. Let's build one. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the AI Academy. My name is Eric, and on this channel we take AI projects that sound intimidating and make them simple enough for regular people to actually do. This one is a perfect example because we're setting up something that used to be programmer only territory, and we're doing it with clicks instead of code. First, let me clear up what GatorClaw actually is, because the name confuses people. There's a popular free open source tool called OpenClaw. It's a genuinely powerful AI agent project, one of the biggest on the internet right now. But to run it yourself, you have to set up your own server, type in commands, and wire it all together by hand. GatorClaw is Bluehost version built on that same OpenClaw engine, except Bluehost runs all the technical parts for you and wraps it in a simple visual interface. So picture OpenClaw as a bare engine on a workbench, and GatorClaw as the same engine already dropped into a car with someone else handling the maintenance. Same power underneath, far easier to drive. That's why it's the better starting point for most of us. Let's start with getting set up. So go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with Bluehost. So what I recommend is the NVMe 4 here. You get 2 vCPU cores, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage. So what you can go ahead and do is go ahead and click on choose plan. And here under software, we can go ahead and extend that out. And we wanna make sure we have GatorClaw connected right here, and then just continue through checkout. So you head to GatorClaw through Bluehost and pick a plan. Now here's the one thing that I wanna be straight with you about. GatorClaw runs on a Bluehost server, so a plan is a monthly subscription. And the introductory price is low, but it does renew a bit higher down the road. So just go in knowing that. The upside is huge for a beginner though. Bluehost sets up and runs that server for you, so there's nothing to install on your own computer, nothing to keep running. And here's the part I really like, no API keys to copy and paste. The AI is already built in. You sign up, you log in, and your agent is already living somewhere safe and online. That single thing removes the biggest wall that most beginners hit. So I'll drop the link down in the description so you can follow along on the same setup I'm using. Now, once you're in and land on the dashboard, this is where we build your agent. So once you're logged in to Bluehost, this is what the dashboard here will look like. Now, the nice thing is that there's a guided walkthrough that helps you create your first one, so you're not staring at a blank screen wondering what to do. So to go ahead and launch GatorClaw, what we're gonna go and do, we're gonna go ahead and click on hosting. We'll go ahead and click on manage. And then here we see GatorClaw, and we'll click manage one more time. Now this is where we can go ahead and enter in our agent name. So we'll go ahead and call him Tom, and click continue. Now this is where you go ahead and select the AI model for your agent. You can go ahead and choose ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or DeepSeek. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and to use the Gemini free API tier, we need to select the Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then just go over to Google AI Studio to go ahead and create your API key over there and paste it in. And then we'll go ahead and click continue here. We'll go ahead and enter a password here for added security. We'll choose the agent access mode. We'll go ahead and select restricted as that is recommended, and then we'll go ahead and click finish. Now, as I click through this, just follow what's on my screen because seeing it happen once makes the whole thing click. Now, before we go wild trying to make it do 15 different things, here's a tip that'll save you a lot of frustration. Just start small. Build an agent that does one clear thing well before you try to make it do everything. A first agent that reads your new emails and flags the important ones is far more useful and far easier to get working than some giant do-it-all machine that you can't troubleshoot. You can always add more later. Beginners who start simple stick with it. Beginners who start complicated usually give up. So keep your first one focused, like we're doing here. Next, you want to connect your apps, and this is where your agent goes from a clever toy to something that touches your real work. GatorClaw has a spot called GatorHub, where you connect the tools that you already use. Things like Gmail, Slack, and Notion. You connect them right here. So to do that right here, we'll go ahead and boost our agent's power. So we'll go ahead and click on this. So we'll go ahead and click on this, and I'll go ahead and sign into my Google account. And now what we can do is go ahead and find all these different tools that we use, like GitHub, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Notion, Pipedrive. Any tools that you use, go ahead and install them. Once an app is connected, your agent can read from it and act inside it. So if you connect Gmail, your agent can now look at your inbox. This is the moment it actually plugs into your life instead of sitting off in a sandbox. Now for the fun part, giving it a task and watching it run. Let's stick with that email example because almost everyone deals with email. So the idea here is that our AI skill reads that email and decides whether it's actually important based on the instructions we give it. And our action either flags it or quietly leaves it alone. We save it, we switch it on, and from that point, it's working in the background without us. A new email comes in, the agent reads it, makes the call, and acts. The first time you watch it correctly flag a message you actually cared about, it really clicks. That's a real AI agent doing real work for you. And once that first one is running, the door is open. You're not learning a new process each time. You're just reusing the same simple pattern with different triggers, skills, and actions. That's the whole reason a no-code tool like this is so freeing. Now, let me be straight about the trade because there's always is one. With GatorClaw, you're trading a little control for a lot of convenience. You're on Bluehost platform, set up the way they designed it, and you're paying for that hosting every month. For a beginner who just wants a working agent without the technical grind, then that's a great deal. The free do-it-yourself route with raw OpenClaw gives you more control, but it asks for server setup and command line work in return. A lot of people start here to learn how agents actually behave, then graduate to running their own later. One last thing before you build. Your agent is only as good as the instructions you give it, so be specific. Instead of telling it to handle your email, tell it exactly what important means to you, like messages from clients or anything mentioning an invoice. The clearer you are, the better it works, and the less you'll find yourself correcting it. Vague instructions are the number one reason a first agent acts confused. Spell it out and it behaves. So that's the whole thing. GatorClaw takes the power of an open source AI agent and strips away the two hardest parts for beginners, the setup and the hosting. So you can go from idea to a working agent in a single afternoon. You sign up, you build it visually, you connect your apps, and you let it run. That's a personal AI assistant working for you, built by you without a single line of code. Not long ago, that simply wasn't possible for regular people, and now it's an afternoon project. Now, if you want to get your own agent set up with GatorClaw, we'll have the link for you for Bluehost down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us keep creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you use it, we really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future update. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a creator or entrepreneur, or just someone who's curious about what AI can do. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.